पोइम फॉर चाइल्डहुड। यह कविता कवि के उस मनोभावों को प्रकट करती है जो वह अपने बचपन में खो जाने पर अनुभव करता है। यह महसूस करता है कि अब वह समझदार हो गया है। वह बड़े लोगों की दिखावे वाले व्यवहार को भी समझने लगा है। अतः उसमें तार्किकता आ गई है, परंतु उसे उस मासूमियत की कमी महसूस होती है जो एक शिशु के चेहरे में छुपी होती है। This poem expresses those feelings of the poet which he expresses at the loss of his childhood. He realizes that he has become sensible. He has started realizing the hypocrisy of the adult. He seems to have developed the quality of maturity and free thinking, but he feels lack of innocence which is hidden in the infant's face. Identify a stranger that talks each of the following: individuality, rationalism, hypocrisy, व्यक्तिकता, तार्किकता, पाखंड। Individuality. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, producing thought that were not of others people but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? Rationalism. When did my childhood go? Was it day I caused to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Hypocrisy. When did my childhood go? It is time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be. They talked of love and preached of us, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Question 2. But according to the poem, involved in the process of growing up, कविता के अनुसार बड़े होने की प्रक्रिया में क्या शामिल होता है? Process of growing up involves mainly 4 things: rationality, individuality of thoughts, hypocrisy in work, loss of innocence. मस्तिष्क की तार्किकता, विचारों में व्यक्तिगतता, कार्यों में पाखंड, मासूमियत का खो जाना। What is the poet's feeling towards childhood? बचपन के बारे में कवि की क्या भावना है? Poet misses the days of the childhood now when he understands the reality of everything. He misses his innocence as a child. He knows that he will never get back his childhood. कवि को अपने बचपन के दिनों की याद आती है अब जबकि वह प्रत्येक बात को प्राथमिकता समझता है। उसे एक बच्चे के रूप में अपनी मासूमियत की याद आती है। अब वह जानता है कि उसे उसका बचपन कभी वापस नहीं मिलेगा। Which do you think are the most poetic lines भाई? आपको कौन सी पंक्तियाँ सर्वाधिक काव्यात्मक लगती हैं, क्यों? These lines seems to the most poetic to me. It went to some forgotten place that hidden in the infant's face. These lines have good rhythmic quality. Here childhood has been personified. The sound of the line has pictorial quality. The innocent face of the infant seems to rise before our eyes as we read the lines. मुझे उपयुक्त पंक्तियाँ सर्वाधिक काव्यात्मक लगती हैं। इन दो पंक्तियों में अच्छी लयात्मकता है। बचपन का मानवीकरण किया गया है। दूसरी पंक्तियों में चित्रात्मकता का गुण है। इन पंक्तियों को पढ़ते समय एक शिशु का मासूम चेहरा आंखों के सामने उठता प्रतीत होता है।